Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. This is an 11 by 14. I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I have a bowl. This is a 2-cup bowl, okay? And I'm going to use, I'm going to put about half as much paint in this bowl, so about a cup's worth. If you figure, this is about the equivalency of 7.5 regular size tiles, and considering I use an ounce of paint for each of them, then go figure. I'm about at 8 ounces of paint, so half of this cup obviously is 8 ounces. So I saw a couple techniques. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but I really want the colors to pop, for each color to pop in its own way. So the only way I truly know how to do that is by like puddle boring, but I want cells, so I don't want to just puddle pour on the canvas. So I think what I'm going to try to do is do a bunch of different puddles in the cup and then overturn it that way. I know a lot of you have said that you try on larger canvases and fail. The reason behind a lot of the failure is either you didn't use enough paint, or you didn't put enough paint in, certain areas that allow it to spread out. And then by the time you coat your canvas, your cells are totally distorted and whatnot. Can you see how it's like really loose right now? Alright, we're going to fix that. Some of you may not know, some of you might. But if you take a spray bottle with some water, okay, and you just, what is on me? Spray the back of it lightly. Just like that. Just mist it. Okay? It's tightening right now. Like, I was able to flap it earlier, and I can't flap it anymore. So it's definitely tightening. Wait a minute. A lot better. So what had happened was I hadn't used it for a while, and then, it sat and started to sag. You hear the echo? That's exactly what I was looking for. So it might be just a little tiny bit saggy, but it'll be alright. We should be good to go.